Welcome to Smart Math. Today I am solving this math Olympic problem in a very unique way. So our equation is x cube that is equals to 18 cube plus 24 cube plus 30 cube. So as our equation is x cube which is equals to, if I'm wrote 18, I'm 18 broken into 6 into 3 is 18. So both have cube plus 24. So 24, I'm not wrote 24. 6 into 4 is 24. So 6 into 4 whole cube plus 30. 6 into 5, that is 30 cube. So as we saw, if they have different bases and power, same power, I'm wrote power, both bases have own power which is same. So now I'm wrote power x cube that is equals to 6 cube and 3 have also same power, so 3 cube plus same as scenario as 6 cube plus 4 have 1 power 3 cube plus 6 cube and 5 have 1 power 5 cube. So this term is different, this term is different, this term is different, but they have 6 cube. They three term have 6 cube. So now I'm common 6 cube. Our equation is 6 cube common and remainder is 3 cube plus 4 cube plus 5 cube. So as a 3 cube is 3 into 3 into 3, that is equals to 27. So I'm wrote x cube 6 cube and 3 cube is 27. Now 4 cube, 4 into 4 into 4, 4 not 3, 4, that is equals to 64. So this term is 64 plus 5 cube, 5 into 5 into 5, that is equals to 125. So this term is 125, this term is 125. So now as our equation is this, so now I'm add x cube 6 cube, that is, if I'm add these three terms, they give me 126. So this term is I'm surely said that if I multiply 6 into 6 into 6, that is equals to 261. So I'm wrote 6 cube here and this term will also 6 cube. So if I'm wrote here, if power is same, if power have base are same and power different, we have same base and power is added. So now power is added. So our equation is x cube that's equals to 6 into 3 into 3, 3 plus 3. So this term is goes to x cube that is equals to 6 to the power of 6. Is I am wrote that 6 to the power of 6, I am wrote that 6 into 6 into 3s are 2 3s are 6. So I'm using another formula, that is if power is different, so I am one power is one power have base and I'm taking another power whole to the power. So now I'm taking to the power of whole to the power of x cube that is equals to 6 square I'm wrote and whole to the power of 3. So this term is called x cube that is equal to 6 into 6 is 36 and they have cube. So this term is here, this term is here positive, minus term, positive term goes opposite side means negative term, x cube minus 36 cube that is equals to 0. So as our equation is this, so I am wrote the formula of a cube minus b cube, a cube minus b cube formula. that is equals to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square formula. So now I'm replaced the above formula. So our equation will be x minus 36, which is a is x and b is 36, and x square plus x into 36 ab plus 36 square, that's equals to 0. So as x minus 36 into x square plus 36x, and 36 square is x have 36 square, that is equals to 0. If our equation x minus 36 that is equals to 0, or x square plus 36x plus 36 square, that is also equals to 0. So this term here negative goes opposite and positive, so value of x is 36 positive. So another equation is quadratic equation, where whether ax square plus bx plus c that is equals to 0. So we have a value is 1, b value is 36, and c value is 36 square. So now I'm wrote that we have a quadratic equation using quadratic formula method. So quadratic formula is x that is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So divided by 2a, this means that our equation is x that is equals to minus b is 36 plus minus square root of b square is 36 square minus 4 into a is 1 and c is 36 square divided by 2a, that is 1. So x is equals to minus 36 plus minus, if I am common 36 square here, so our remainder is I am common square root 36 square here, and our remainder is 1 minus 4 divided by 2. So x that is equals to minus 36 plus minus, if I am separate out their squaring power, square 36 square, and 1 minus 3 is minus 3. So I am separate out the square root divided by 2. So this term square and square root cancel. So our equation is x minus 36 plus minus 36 square root means square root of 3 and square root minus 1, that is b iota. So this term is iota, so divided by 2. So as I'm common here 2 here, so equation is minus, and 30 minus 1 minus 36 common means 18 remain, plus minus 18 square root of 3i divided by 2. So I'm common cancel out 2 term, 2 up and down. So our remainder is minus 18 plus minus 18 square root of 3 iota is our remainder, which is imaginary. So this is not possible solution. So our real solution is x is equals to 36. Thanks for watching. Keep like, share and subscribe.